Okay, well, this right here, my son is building a food truck. You know, one of these, like you see at festivals, you know, you set up and you sell food out of it. Well, this is an old RV trailer, and the yard is muddy, and we really want to get the trailer sitting right here so it's easier to work on, more level, and it's just basically out of the way and just better. So, how am I going to get pulled up here? Let me show you. Okay, so right here I have a strap hooked onto the trailer, running up here. Oh, let me put these in real quick. Okay, so we got a concrete block and a little wood block under the four-wheeler. The strap is running up through the axle, and the end of it's right here. And you can see that goes over to there. Okay, and this end is wrapped around the power pole here, and wrapped around the four-wheeler several times and hooked. So, theoretically, when we put it in gear, got it in low range, I'm gonna have to give it just a little gas. You got the brake on? No. Have to give it a little gas here to get it started. Still rubbing on the tire a little. Keep going. Wrapping around there. And on this end. Uh-oh. Okay, hang on. So yeah, that's the basic idea, is just to pretty much keep pulling it, moving the 2x4 so that this front end doesn't dig in or anything, and finally end up with it up here. There's probably easier ways to do this, but there's no more fun ways to do it, so oh well. Well, we got it moved up here, and all the lumber just jumped up and assembled itself. No, wish it worked like that, but it didn't. Believe me, it didn't just jump up there and assemble itself. We put it all up. Let me spin you around here and I'll show you what all we're doing. Okay, yeah, you know, it's a used to be a camper, of course, and my son and my daughter-in-law want to start a business running a food booth, basically, like selling desserts and stuff like that out of it. So what we've done, we didn't want to, at first we was going to build it all the way out to here, but the thing is, there's only one of these big supports. The other ones are gone. And yeah, you need your tire too. There's one here, but there's not enough really support out here, and I wasn't 100% sure how to get the support to come all the way out unless we laid the floor joist this way, and then it would make it a lot higher. We put floor joists in between the metal, welded brackets onto the metal, and then screwed into the 2x4s all the way across. We put plywood down, this kind right here, and then he went and got some of these 2x3s, and we built the walls up. It's on 2-foot centers. It has 2x4s on top up here for the rafters. Of course, we just have plastic up on it right now. Watch where I'm walking so I don't break my neck. We got stuff piled in here. But we wanted to get it to the point where we could put the plastic over top of it so that if it does rain, it's not gonna mess it up. Now, one thing before we start, we don't have the jacks down, but before we start actually putting like paneling or plywood or anything on the walls, we're going to have to use these jacks and get it level on all 4 corners, and that way everything will stay level while we're assembling all that. Now, what they're planning is, let me get back down. What they're planning is to cut out a window right here, a serving window, and make it fold up like this. And yeah, I think that'd be really good. Now, we were going to use the old fenders. They're right here. They're rusty and dirty and all that. Actually, kind of rusted through a little. So I think what they're going to do is they're going to get some new fenders from Tractor Supply, because they have dually trailer fenders. They actually come up and have a little dip down like that and back up. It'd make it look a lot better anyway. We put the door on this end right here. But yeah, that's been our little project. They really don't want to be on camera right now, I guess. So, you know, I wasn't really filming the build process. They wasn't really wanting to be on camera during the building process. So we just worked on it, and then I figured I'd come out here and just give it a little update. I guess I'll keep y'all updated and let y'all know what all we do with it. But I think it'll work out. Y'all let me know what you think. I'm not a trailer builder, but I think it's turning out okay. Yeah, y'all just let me know what you think about it. I think it'll work. There's not a single nail in it. It's all screws, because we knew that nails, you know, will tend to back out. Anywhere there's metal, we drilled, put a screw in through the metal. So everything is very secure on it. And it's starting to get really solid. It doesn't really move that bad. Once we get it all leveled up and stuff, I think that'll help too. The trailer has some flex. Anyway, that's what I've been up to for the last couple of days anyway. I appreciate everybody watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.